Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza loaf bread. First, begin with your favorite pizza dough, either homemade or store-bought. Roll it out on a lightly floured surface into a large rectangle, aiming for about 1/4 of an inch thickness. This creates the perfect base for our delicious fillings. Make sure the edges are relatively straight for a neat loaf. Next, it's time to add the delicious fillings. Spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce across the dough, leaving a small border. Then, generously sprinkle about 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now, add your chosen toppings, such as sliced pepperoni, cooked sausage, or diced bell peppers. Don't overfill, or it will be hard to roll. Now for the crucial step, rolling the loaf. Starting from one long side, carefully and tightly roll the dough into a log. Once rolled, pinch the seam firmly to seal it completely, ensuring all those tasty fillings stay inside. Gently transfer your pizza loaf, seam side down, into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. This helps maintain its shape. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pizza loaf for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Once baked, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully removing it. Slice and serve this warm, cheesy delight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.